Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a sometime when wrong try to reopen setting later Windows update error. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Um, Go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and run the Windows update. Close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type of services, open services, find out a Windows update. First of all, open a Windows update and select a manual and click stop, apply and OK button. And after that, find out a update or register services. Click on a manual and stop it. Click on apply. Go to your Windows C drive. Go to your Windows. Find out a software. Now, find out a software distribution. Right click. Click on a reset name and set a under minus and type OLD and OK button. Yes to continue. And open a services. Open it and click on a automatic. Click start to continue. Click on apply and OK button. Find out a Windows update. Open it. Click on automatic and start. Click on apply and OK button. Close it and close it. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.